Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to edit the Framer template for beginners. So, the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and as you can see right here, I already have my template, so I already did some customization for this one. Okay, so here I'm just going to open a new tab and then I just have to type out right here, Framer. That's right. And then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then you have this website right here. Now, all you have to do is to simply tap on this website. Okay, and then you will be directed to this section. As you can see at the top, we have the product, teams, resources, community support, enterprise, and the pricing. So here, just have to tap on the start for free or start with AI. Okay, so here we have different templates that we can actually use in sample website using the Framer. So if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one by tapping on the start for free option. Okay, so since we already have our account, now the next thing that we are going to do here is we are just going to create a new site. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Okay, and then you have this new project option at the top, right? So all you have to do is just tap on this one. Okay, so tap on the new project and then this section will load. So just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then after that, right here, just have to pick a template. And then if you already know how to use Framer, then if you want to start with a blank project, then you can also choose this one as well. So for the template, we have portfolio for business, agency, and resume. So let's just start for the portfolio. Okay, so we have here the different titles of the template that we can choose from. So for example, we want to use this one. So let's just use a simple and minimalist template. So just have to simply tap on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so after that, you would be able to see here the different elements of this template. Okay, and as you can see at the left side of your screen, you have here the different sections. Okay, so we have for the basics, so we can see here the different sections. Okay, and then for the navigations, we have this one as well. And if you want to switch to the dark version, then you just have to choose the option at the top. For our menus, okay, so these are the menus that we can choose from. And for the CMS, we have collection and the fields. And of course, for the elements of this template, we have the icons, the media, the forms, the interactive, the social, utility, and creative. Now, let's proceed to customizing our template. So currently, this is our template. So you can also zoom out or zoom in. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom out. Okay, so currently this is the whole template looks like. Now, so let's start from here. Okay, so let's start from the very basic by changing the words of this template. So for example, you just have to double tap that one and then the section will open. And as you can see at the right side, we have here the different options. Okay, so we can change the position, we can add an interaction for this one, and yeah, for the layout, we have the stack, the grid, so it's up to you. Okay, now to change the word for this one, so you just have to, highlight all of the text and then just type right here your own word. Okay, so type your title. Okay, so something like that. And then after that, you just have to save your changes. Okay, so now that you are done with this one, let's go back to the home page now. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully changed all of the text. So we have here the different views, right? So this is for the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So if you are going to make any changes in any of these views right here, then it will also apply to the rest of the views that you can find here. Okay, so now for the description, so you just have to do the same. So for example, you want to change your description right here, so you just have to type out your own description. Type your own description right here. Okay, your own description. Okay, so or any words that you want to add here. And then if we are going to check the rest of the views, okay, it also applies to the rest of the views. Now let's proceed to the images or the other elements of this one. So yeah, just have to simply tap on this section, and then we can see here now, okay, the images section. Okay, so for example, right here, so this is the image section or the thumbnail. And then when you go here, as you can see, we have the image section. Now, if you want to change that, just simply tap on it. Okay. And then for the word card variable, so we have that right here. And if you want to change the order of this section, then you just have to simply drag it right here. Okay, so we have the title, the image, and the year. Okay, and then here to upload your own image, or if you just change the background or add a background color for this one, then you just have to simply tap on the section or the upload option. So when you tap on the upload, then your files or computer file will open, and then you just have to go here, and then you just have to choose the image that you want to use or the thumbnail that you want to use. Now let's close the section. So assuming that you are done, changing your image, then you are now good to go. Now let's go back to our homepage. So after changing your image, then you'll be able to see that, of course, the rest of the views of this, template. Okay, and then right here, let's go down. Okay. So if you want to add your contact details as well, so we have that at the bottom of this template. So now let's go here to the layers. To the pages. So for the pages, as you can see, we only have the home, the words, and then the section is closed. So yeah, let's just focus on the two pages. Now, right here, if you can see this plus icon at the top, so when you tap on it, again, this section will open. So for example, you want to add a new icon, then you just have to go here, and then you just have to choose your icon. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to add a navigation or a menu. So I'm just going to add this menu icons right here. So you would be able to see that right here. Now, if you want to resize it, then you just have to go here to the side of the section. And then if you want to add an element for this one, then you just have to tap on the text or the words that you can find here, and then you just have to go here. Now, after finalizing the elements of your template, then you just have to tap on the publish option. Okay, so you just have to do the rest. You just have to explore the different section that you can find here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.